Hello, Cougars. Today we are going to be starting, or we're going to continue with our lesson from last week. Last week we introduced two new vowel combinations. AY make the sound A like in the word say. AI make the sound A like in the word rain. A. What sound? A. What sound? A. We also had a review on vowels. The first vowel was A, and it makes the sound A, like in cat. It makes the sound A, like in cat. And it also says its name, like in labor. A. A. We also reviewed the letter sound I. The sound it makes is I. It also says its name, like in I, like in pilot. Pilot. Continuing on, we read parts of real words. I will read the first two lines. Ain, tain, it, mit, stract, mid. If you see an asterisk, it will say its name. T, ta, id, trast, day, in, min, ant, tant, try, tract, hap, vict, mand, k. Now your turn. You practice these sounds. Continuing on, we also underline vowels in words. Every time you see a vowel, you underline, or vowel combinations, AY. AY, AI gets underlined, AI gets underlined, and the letter A gets underlined. Like in pathway, waste. How many vowels are underlined here? 1, 2. So it has two word parts. Mainland. How many vowels are underlined here? 2. So it has two word parts. Maintain. Midday. Rapid. Flashback. Haystack. Milkman. Railway. Cabin. Claim. Pig. Tail. Midway. Madman. Listen, for activity F, there's no visuals. It's an oral activity, so that means you have to listen. Correcting close approximations using context. Listen, sometimes when we read long words, the word doesn't sound right. We have to change the pronunciation of the word so it makes sense in the sentence. Let's see if you can change these words to make sense in a sentence. Listen carefully. Husband. Change the word to make sense in this sentence. Have you met Miss Smith's husband? What should the word be? Husband. That's correct. Now listen carefully. I will read. The next word is hotel. When we were on vacation, we stayed in a hotel. What should the word be? Hotel. Correct. Now listen carefully. The next word is captain. The captain steered the boat to the dock. What should the word be? Captain. You're right. Above. When I hold a book over a table, I am holding that book above the table. What should the word be? Above, correct. Now for activity G. Find activity G. You're going to learn about word parts we call prefixes. Prefixes always come at the beginning of words. Do prefixes come at the beginning or at the end of words? Correct, the beginning. Prefixes come at the beginning of words. Let's look at the final column in the box. The first word is disagree. What word? Disagree. The prefixes in this word is dis. What's the prefix? Dis. Now look at the second word. The word is misprint. What word? Misprint. The prefix is miss. Say it. Miss. Miss. Look at the third word. Abnormal. What's the word? Abnormal. What's the prefix? Ab. Now look at the fourth word. Admit. What's the word? Admit. What's the prefix? Ad. The word parts you just learned come at the beginning of the words. What are they called again? Prefixes. In the next activity, you're going to circle these prefixes. For activity H, you're going to circle all the prefixes. In the first line, we have the word misfit. What's the word? Misfit. What's the prefix? Miss. The second word is dash. Is there a prefix? No. So we are not circling anything. This is just one word part. The third word is abstract. What's the prefix? Ab. What's the word? Abstract. Now let's look at line 2. Main cell. What's the prefix? None. There's none to circle. It's just the word main cell. Misplay. What's the prefix? Miss. The third word is add. Attic. What's the word? Add. The prefix is add. You're going to continue with the rest of the activity, circling all the prefixes that you do see. Again, there's 4 prefixes that you saw. Oh, where are they? Where'd they go? Dis, miss, ab, add. So for activity H, you're going to circle all the prefixes.